Hey guys, this is Baby Snow and welcome back to my channel. This is a quick update and announcement with regards to Bull Run and the upcoming project na ilo-launch. Siguro aware naman kayo na yung developer ni Bull Run, okay, meron siyang ilo-launch na bagong project. So, nabanggit ko naman sa previous uploads ko. So, yung developer kasi nito is maglo-launch ng another project which is in BNB network. So, hindi naman natin siya masisisi kasi he is a developer. Pero, eto guys, ang advice ko lang, no, kasi inano din niya ako doon. Inintroduce niya sa akin yung Jaguar na yan. But, dinicline ko talaga. So, kasi I have a commitment. No, I have 100% commitment sa community, sa aking team na binibuild at sa mga projects na nilo-launch ko. So, kung mapapansin nyo, hindi naman ako naglo-launch ng project na kinakalaban yung sarili din na project. Okay? So, itong si Bull Run is, ito yung nag-iisa natin no, na smart contract. Though, nag-join ako kay Paul Bull before and pinost ko rin naman yan dito sa aking YouTube channel. But, just like I've said, this one is my main priority when it comes to Polygon Network. Okay, ito yung napili natin na i-work out. So, I'm really excited. I'm still excited about this project. There's only, let's see, there's only 1,000 members, I think, from this contract. So, tingnan natin. Let's check. So, there's still 373 poll balance available for dividends. So, huwag kayong mag-alala guys, no? Talagang it's normal na bababa yung dividends nito. Kasi, wala pang nag-work out. So, ayan, meron namang pa isa-isa na mga transactions and mostly are claiming dividends lang. So, ibig sabihin, ay wala pang pumapasok. Pero guys, gaya nga ng sabi ko, it will change. Okay? So, parang ganun lang yan nung nag-launch. Nung nag-launch itong si Bull Run. So, ibig sabihin, pwede palang mangyari na biglang bumugso yung mga registrations, yung IDs, upgrades, 'di ba? So, by that time comes, ayun, sasabog na naman ng dividends and earnings. Okay? So, ito yung news ko, guys. There's nothing wrong with the project. There's nothing wrong with the contract. It's very clean. Ayan, it's almost perfect talaga. Si developer, guys, he's still with us. Okay? Yun nga lang, since he is a developer, meron din siyang project na gustong i-launch, but hindi naman niya kinalaban si Bull Run. Okay? Magagalit ako sa kanya pag kinalaban niya si Bull Run. So, yun nga lang, malas niya kasi meron na tayong another project which is in OPBNB. Okay? Na yun yung for BNB naman natin. So, we're very much committed with that and yun na yung perfect project for me. Okay? So, inofera niya ako sa Jaguar, no, top ID din, ID number 3, okay, pero dinrap ko yon. So, nireject ko yon kasi I know that I have commitment, 100% commitment with OP Bull. And hindi lang yon kasi nakita ko na talagang wala nang tatalo, no, kay OP Bull. Okay? There's 50% dividends and 50% direct commission. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, kasi syempre, tayong mga nag-e-effort is only 50% yung makukuha natin and the other 50% is i-distribute sa buong community. So, parang medyo unfair. Pero, come to think of it, so yung 50% na napupunta sa dividends, meron pa rin namang tayo, di ba? Meron pa rin tayong share doon as builder, as part of the community. So, hindi tayo nawalan pa rin. So, ang advantage na nakikita ko is, mas maraming tao, since this is about community building project, mas maraming tao ang sasama sa atin. Okay? At alam naman natin na mas marami ang incapable of recruiting kesa sa mga builders, 'di ba? So, tayo as a builders, tayo naman yung magi-inform dito sa mga taong ito, tayo ang magtuturo sa kanila kung paano ginagawa natin. So, that way, ay mabilis tayong dadami. So, it's a win-win situation. Tama? So, yun yung nakikita ko, kaya naman I'm very much confident na ipagpatuloy si Bull Run. So, there's nothing wrong with that. Okay? Ang ano lang is, itong si Jaguar, no? This is the previous group chat Telegram chat ni Bullrun. So kung mapapansin niyo sa pin post na yan is andyan pa rin si Bullrun, okay? So hindi naman mawawala itong si Dev. Support pa rin siya sa Bullrun. Kaya lang gusto niya magkaroon ng BNB. Kaya lang guys, okay, sige, compare natin no itong si Jaguar versus kay OP Bull. Itong si Jaguar kasi they are launching on BNB network. So, kaya nga tayo nag-switch into OPBNB na network kasi we all know there's a dividend and dividends is withdrawable. So, wini-withdraw yun. So, ibig sabihin, gumagastos tayo ng gas fee every time na nagkiklik tayo ng withdrawals. So, kapag binild yan sa BNB network, tendency is malaki yung gas fees. 'Di ba? And then, medyo pricey ang BNB. So, it means, hindi siya ganun ka pangmasa. Unlike kay OPBNB, na yung gas fee is like zero. Parang hindi tayo gumagastos ng gas fee. So, that's the number one advantage ni OP Bull. So, it's perfect, di ba? And then, the second one is, yun nga, yung 50% dividends, yung 50-50, di ba? So, ito, nilo-launch niya, 40% lang yung dividends and 60% direct. So, sa tingin natin, kaya nga natabunan si medyo na behind si Paul Bull. That's because may lumabas na mas mataas na dividends. So, ngayon siya, maglo-launch siya ng ganito. I don't know if he's aware na meron na tayong BNB Jet before. Okay? Si BNB Jet, it's like the same. So, kaya nga hindi pumatok si BNB Jet because of the gas fee and yung medyo pricey niya na packages. So, kung hindi nag-work yun nga yung reason kung bakit kami nag-come up into an idea na gawin siya sa OPBNB network. So, ayun lang yung aking pananaw dito, no? Kaya hindi ko siya ginrab. Okay? I have an offer of top ID here. Okay? So, ayun nga, sabi ko, no, sorry, I passed this. My focus is on OP Bull. Okay? And it's in BNB. Kung ibang project yan, okay lang. Pwede ko pang i-grab. Okay? May napag-usapan nga kami sa una na gagawa siya ng Tron. Ayan, no? Kaso lang, ay ayaw daw ng mga leaders niya. So, yun namang leaders niya na sinasabi niya, kung talagang leaders yan, di sana win-workout nila si Bullrun, di ba? Ibang lahi sila. Kaso lang, tayo yung mas willing na i-workout si Bullrun. So, kaya ako, hindi na ako madaling ma-convince sa mga ganyan kahit ba offeran niya ako ng top ID. Okay? So, that way, I can protect my team. Okay? Kaya ko lang kayo ini-inform guys kasi baka makita nyo, marami nga tayong mga leaders na grab ng mga bagong launch. So, hindi na yun effective ngayon. Okay? Ang effective ngayon is dapat mag-focus ka sa isang project. Okay? Pagsamasamahin yung mga members and then let's plan. Okay, para sa ikakalago ng community. Since this project is a community building project, dapat magkakaisa ang isang community. Okay, hindi yung lahat na lang ay papasukan natin. So, yun lang naman yung hindi maganda na nangyari sa dev ni Bullrun kasi nga mag-ano lang naman siya, maglo-launch lang naman siya ng bago. And kaya naman natin tinanggihan yun kasi meron na tayong mas better, 'di ba? Mas best nga siya. So, ayun lang guys. And it's up to you kung gusto nyong tignan, no, yung result ng magiging launch nito. Pero nangyari na sa launch ni Bullrun, okay? Yung sinasabi niyang mga leaders niya ay nagano lang, ng hype lang, 'di ba? So, tayo naman buti na lang meron siyang naging leader na willing i-work out at i-push itong si Bullrun, which is yung una niyang ni-launch. Okay? And by the way guys itong si Mariam ay iba kay dev natin kay OP Bull. Okay? With OP Bull, I have 4 projects na working with him. Itong si Mariam is recently ko lang siya na-meet and based naman sa research ko, he's okay, he's fine, he's a good dev. Yun nga lang, may nilaunch siyang panibago. So, we're out. Okay? We're out from that. So, yun lang yung news ko sa inyo guys and I hope mag-research din kayo. Okay, meron na kayong mga sariling decision, 'di ba? So, I'm just here to remind you guys and just to share my thoughts and my based on my experience, no? So, yeah, that's all guys and for you to be updated sa lahat ng mga news natin and announcements, make sure to subscribe to my channel. So, that's it and again, this is Baby Snow. Happy earnings everyone. Bye-bye.